In an energy-dependent world, we rely on the availability of raw materials such as copper and lithium. However, the extraction of these raw materials has consequences for the local areas they're sourced in. The people of the community hope for jobs while facing challenges like environmental stress, in-migration, or inadequate compensation for their loss of land to mining projects. Additionally, they often have little say in the decision to mine, which fuels distrust towards local leaders and mining companies. Meanwhile, mining companies face their own challenges, often pressured to get the mine running and the minerals to the market, while also dealing with the possibility of protests from surrounding communities. And governments are caught in the middle. To overcome these challenges, local communities, mining companies, and the government need to be involved and talking to each other every step of the way. All stakeholders need to better understand when resource extraction supports the livelihoods of local dwellers and when it harms them. Agreeing on a solution starts with agreeing on the problem. This is where the Resource Impact Dashboard (RID) can help. Where reliable mine-level information on economic, social, and environmental issues are largely missing, the RID provides credible information for the community, the mining company, and the government. The RID is an easy-to-apply and collaborative diagnostic tool that monitors key development dynamics in mining regions. It monitors indicators on the local economy, on the environment, and on community relations. For example, it makes visible changes in access to basic services, education, and employment. It shows the environmental impact of mining on water, air, or deforestation, and changes in the relationship between affected communities and mining companies. To generate information that is relevant, that reflects the perspectives of all stakeholders, and that is trustworthy, the RID collects government data on service provision, the perceptions of community members, and company data on the mining operations. This helps create a common ground for evidence-based policymaking and constructive discussions in resolving disagreements between mining companies and local communities. Since the RID indicators are monitored every 2 years, each party can see how agreed policies work out, whether they lead to the desired outcome for everyone, and where better solutions have to be negotiated. And the longer the RID is used, the more effective it will be, ensuring the entire life cycle of the mine is accounted for. The RID comes as an easy, ready-to-use toolbox. Methodology, survey tools, and data presentation are taken care of, so you can focus on bringing stakeholders on board. Begin with one of the following 4 steps. Select the mining area you want to investigate. Make contacts with the mine management and local government to facilitate the process. Decide who manages the RID diagnostic process. This means who is going to collect data from governments, mining companies, and local households. Universities have expertise in how to do that and are independent. Contact the RID service team to set up your mine. The platform's Open Data Kit tool ensures that data from any household surveys is entered automatically into the dashboard. Secure funding. While the RID is free to use, you have to calculate the cost for conducting household surveys and organizing events to communicate results or kickstart meetings. Extracting valuable natural resources in a way that benefits everyone, including the local communities, is a crucial but challenging process. Sign up to the Resource Impact Dashboard now and help make changes for the better in your local community.